OEM licenses. For example, a Microsoft Windows Server license that came with the Blade. You bought a Hewlett-Packard or Dell or any other Blade server, and you bought it with pre-installed Windows Server. That is called an OEM license. By default, it is attached to hardware. In the majority of cases, it's forever attached to that hardware. Importantly, it is not allowed to be used to provide any shared hosting services at all. There are no exceptions. It's only allowed to be used on dedicated hardware, and clients may bring their own hardware with OEM licenses to be collocated, to be put in your racks, in your data centers, but you may not rent them out hardware with pre-installed Windows Server because there are no rental rights for Windows Server. If a client wants to rent a hardware from you with Windows Server, they would have to pay through SPLA, even if you bought that hardware with Windows Server pre-installed. The only exception to that rule is Windows IoT or Windows Pro, but you have to sign an additional agreement with Microsoft with rental rights. That gives you rights to rent out laptops with those operating systems pre-installed. That is the only exception. The governing document, the product terms and conditions, are in EULAs and user licensing agreements that come with the pre-installed hardware. The licensee is the end client that owns, that bought the hardware.